Hi my loves and hi my peasants, you're watching Learn from the King. Today's video is a Barbie challenge. I've been seeing all over the internet, everyone's been doing this Bratz challenge, and to be quite honest, I never liked Bratz. I did not grow up on Bratz. Actually, my mom wouldn't buy them for me because she always thought that their clothes were cheap, their weave was cheap, they weren't cute, they looked like little kids trying to be grown, they didn't have noses, they had huge lips. I just didn't think it was cute in any way. Not huge lips like a natural full lip that like you get from a sister. It was like inflated lips, like plastic surgery. Like I remember back in the days, Bratz had these like stupid little feet that you could like pull off, and I just was like, why would you want to amputate your doll? And I don't know, I don't like Bratz. I don't think I would buy Bratz for my children or for anyone that I love or respect. So I decided to go ahead and make a Barbie video. Oh, another thing is I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and to enter the giveaway, you need to subscribe to my channel. You need to follow me on Instagram at Learn from the King, and you need to comment your name in this video and comment your name in my video that will be labeled giveaway. So do those 4 things and you'll set yourself up for a new outfit for the free. You don't lose it, or you don't lose anything by subscribing to my channel. Like, it don't cost you nothing. You don't lose anything by entering the giveaway. It don't cost you nothing. So yeah. So I'm gonna get into the tutorial. Today we're going to start off with Pure Mineral CACHE-CERNES Concealer, and I'm going to apply it to all of my dark spots. Then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and I'm going to blend out all of those spots. Blend out the concealer, what the heck. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, don't be a peasant. Go ahead and pause this video and subscribe to join the royal family. Mwah. Then I'm going in with my Revlon Skin Lights Face Illuminator, and I'm just applying it all over my face in even amounts. Then I'm taking the beauty blender and I'm blending it out. Then there's literally no way that you could see this, but I'm going in with my NK Auto Eyeliner, and I'm sorry if you hear some noises in the background. My mom's sleeping and she's snoring like crazy, bruh. But I'm just outlining my eyebrows. And Barbie has pretty thin eyebrows, so afterwards I'm going to go in with concealer and make them thinner. Usually I like pretty thick eyebrows, but Barbie has thin eyebrows, so we're going to do that. So then I'm taking this eyebrow brush and I'm blending the eyeliner into my eyebrow. So as you can see, I didn't fill in the inside of my eyebrows, I only drew around it, and then I basically brushed the product into my eyebrows. The brushes I'm about to use are from my Nicole Miller New York Essential Brush Collection. I'm starting off with my concealer brush, and I'm dragging it around the outside of my eyebrows to create more defined lines, and basically I'm just spreading the concealer. So then I'm going in with the same concealer that I've been using the whole time, the CACHE-CERNES concealer, in between my eyebrows and around the next brow to do basically the same process.
I'll cut up the bitch, I'll gut the bitch. Had to fuck up the bitch, mean fuck the bitch. Won't shoot her, but I will gun bust the bitch. I'm just trying to find out when the new cars come in. I'm just trying to find out when the new cars come in. I'm just trying to find out when the new cars come in. I'm just trying to find out when the new cars come in. Cars come in, cars come in. I'm just trying to find out when the new cars come in.
So now I'm taking my beauty blender, I'm patting my nose, over my eyes, and in between my eyebrows.
Let's be real, all you bitches wanna look like me. Wanna be in demand, get look like me. Wanna I'm not in a lab and cook like me, but ain't there you a hoe.
Here I'm blending my cheek and I did the rest off camera. I usually use a contour stick, but today I'm using LA Girl Velvet Bronzer to contour my face. So Barbie's known for having bronze skin, but Barbie also is not known for having a very contoured face, so I'm using this to give a lighter effect. So now I'm going in with my contour brush and I am blending out all of the bronzer.
Barbie things, Barbie things, that's Barbie things, big Barbie things, that's Barbie things, big Barbie things, that's Barbie things, Barbie dream house, Barbie rings.
Next I'm taking my Super BB's Physicians Formula in the color light/medium and I'm applying that under my cheeks, on my forehead, on my chin, and on my nose bridge that I don't have. I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm blending out my nose. Next I'm taking my Rimmel London Blush Palette by Kate Moss and I'm adding it to my cheeks. I'm taking my Wet n Wild highlight stick and I'm highlighting my face. I'm taking my contour brush again and I'm blending out those highlights. I'm dipping my brush in the left and right side of my L'Oreal True Match LUMI Powder Glow Illuminator and I'm just adding that to my cheeks. I'm dipping my brush in the middle color from the blush palette before and I'm adding more to my cheeks. And you already know we gotta blend that bit with my contour brush. I'm taking NK's Auto Lip Liner in a pink color and NYX's matte lipstick in the color MLSO2. I'm outlining my lips and then I'm gonna add the lipstick. I'm not sure if it's called NYX or NYX, but I'm adding a NYX Girls Gloss over my lipstick. Then I put some concealer around my lips and I did the same thing that I did with my eyebrows to make a sharp line around my mouth. I'm taking a CACHE-CERNES concealer in a darker color and I'm putting it around my mouth so I don't have like a freaking white line around my mouth, you know. Then I'm taking my Notorious eyeshadow palette, and when I say Notorious, because it's known for something bad, because no one knows what the heck it's called. There's like no label. I'm taking the darkest pink from it and I'm adding it to my eyes, to my lids. This is me realizing that I got eyeshadow on my face. Then I'm taking the BITZY Glitter Cream eyeshadow, and when I tell you I hate this eyeshadow, I really do. I might have to do a review on it. So then I added more of the dark pink color to the top of my eyes. I'm putting concealer around the eye to make it like more aligned and to make it more straight and perfected.
Barbie things, Barbie things, that's Barbie things, big Barbie things, that's Barbie things, big Barbie things, that's Barbie things, Barbie dream house, Barbie rings, that's Barbie beach house, Barbie biz.
Then I'm adding some Ruby Kisses Jellicious lip gloss. This clip is of me damn near murdering my eyeball with mascara. I'm going back in with the same BB powder from before. Then I'm using a Q-tip to get any slip-ups that I made with my lipstick. Now I'm going to set my face with my Wet n Wild Natural Finish Spray. Then I'm taking my KLEANCOLOR Smokin' Cream eyeshadow and I'm going to add it to my lids. I'm going to tell you why. Barbie has blue eyes, but I don't have blue contacts, so I just use eyeshadow instead. So this is the finished look, guys. So I did a pink lip because Barbie is notorious for her pink lip. You know, I had to do some blonde hair because, you know, Barbie's famous for the blonde hair. Let's see, I did blue on my eyeshadow instead of just leaving it pink. Like, at first I was gonna leave it pink because she always does a pink eyeshadow, but I remember Barbie has blue eyes and I don't have blue eyes and I don't have contacts, and even if I did, I would be too scared and terrified to put them in my eyes. So I just did blue eyeshadow and then I did pink over that, and I did it like glittery, like ombre, and it's cute. I did some mascara. I didn't do too heavy on the contouring because, to be honest, if you look at a real Barbie doll, like, she doesn't contour like that. She keep it nice and simple, but simple. I said simple. This is not a freaking orchestra. But I did like contouring on my nose because, you know, Barbie has that nice little slim nose, but not too skinny, but it's like slimmed and defined and whatever. And yeah, I look good. It looks so good. I will be having a lookbook for the Barbie challenge that I'm making. So guys, I want to see you guys do some stuff. So go on Instagram, try to do your own, like, your own version of the Barbie challenge. I know that I'm not the best at makeup, but I'm still working on it. I'm still learning, and this is all about having fun. So you don't have to be very good at makeup or anything like that. You don't have to have all the clothes in the world. Just take a picture and tag me on Instagram at LearnFromTheKing so I can see yours. And if there are enough photos, because I know I don't have clout right now, but if there are enough photos or your photo is just really nice, I'll post you in the upcoming video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to enter the giveaway. You gotta do 4 steps. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, comment your name in this video and comment your name in my next video. It will be titled giveaway on it. I think this one will probably also be titled giveaway. I'm not sure yet. But basically, that's how you enter and you will get a cute outfit. If you know anything about me, I always do lookbooks. So I'm really good with the fashion. You like the way I dress? Well, then I'm going to dress you like how I would dress me, okay? Bye, my loves, and bye, my peasants. Mwah.